Today we see the topic computer hardware. Computer hardware is a collective term used to describe any of the physical component of an analog or digital computer. The term hardware distinguishes for tangible aspects of a computing device from software which consists of written instructions that tell physical component what to do. Computer hardware can be categorized as having either internal or external component. Internal component includes such as a motherboard, external processing unit CPU called RAM, access memory, hard drive, optical device, heatsink, power supplies, transistors, chips, graphic processing units GPU, network interface card, and universal serial buses ports. These components collectively process and store the instruction delivered by the program or operating system. External component called also peripheral components are those items that are often connected to the computer in order to control either its input or output. Common input components include mouse, keyboard, microphone, camera, touchpad, stylus, joystick, scanner, USB flash drive or memory card, monitor, printer, speaker, headphone and earbuds are also examples of output computer hardware components. All these hardware devices are designed to either provide instruction to the software or renders result from its execution. External hardware component. External hardware component are called peripheral. Peripheral includes input devices such as mouse or keyboard, output devices such as monitor or printer, and external storage devices such as hard disk or USB card. Other common external hardware components include microphone, monitor, speaker, headphone, digital camera, touch pads, stylus, pen, joystick, scanner, and memory card. All these hardware devices are designed to either provide instruction to software and render the result from its execution. Hardware as a service. While it's common for individuals or businesses to purchase computer hardware and then periodically replace and upgrade it, there also the responsibility to lease hardware, physical or virtual hardware from a service provider. The provider then becomes responsible for keeping hardware up to date both in terms of its various components and the software running on it. Let's take a few types of hardware. Motherboard. The motherboard is a computer central communication backbone connectivity point through which all components and external peripherals connect. The motherboard is the main printed circuit board in a computer, also called the main board. The motherboard holds important components including CPU, RAM, power supply, graphic card, and sound card. CPU. The CPU is responsible for processing most of the computer data, turning input into output. HDD hard disk is a non-volatile memory hardware device. A HDD store OS files, application, problem, media, and other documents. The HDD can store data permanently, even in event of power failure. And in the last we see graphic card, responsible for rendering graphic in a computer and projecting information on to a screen. A graphic card aims to remove the processing strain from the processor or RAM. Thank you.